My friends, it's Coach Vigue. I want to show you this routine, this all body mobility and stretch routine you can do every single morning to feel and look amazing. Full body, all body weight, great anywhere, anytime. Let's get to it. Beginning in downward facing dog. Now we do the down dog scorpion. Lift the right leg up, open the hip. Now take that right foot forward into a lunge. Stagger the feet and reach this right arm up into a beautiful lunge twist. Open up the core, the back, the breath, and then take that right hand across. Reaching, reaching, reaching. And again, lift. And reach through. Lots of breath. In the nose, out the nose, or in the nose, out the mouth. And then boom, what am I doing with this hand? Step back, down dog, other side. Scorpion. Into the lunge twist. Let's do it 2 times on each side. Really energizing the whole body, the breath, getting your focus for the day, and becoming very pliable. Reach up, extend, extend, and then take it back, down dog. Again, down dog, scorpion, right leg, or mirror me. Now, into the pigeon. Drop the right leg down, or left leg. I'll just say leg down. And then slide the other leg back. All right, take the fingertips down. Inhale, lift up. Drop the head back, relax the jaw. We're gonna energize the spine. Exhale, hands forward or forearms down. And again, up into that proud pigeon. And down. Good, pliable spine, loosening up the back. Now step back to down dog. We go to the other side. Scorpion. Inhale, lift the knee. Exhale, open. Now pigeon, left leg forward. I'm sorry, just take your leg forward. Oh, Coach Vigue, what are you talking about? We lift. Relax your jaw. And then down. Keep it loose, keep your body moving, keep it flowing. You want your body to be mobile, to be free, to be ready for anything today and every day. If you're an athlete, add this flow to your repertoire. Take it back to down dog. Now the third and final part of this, go to that scorpion again. Open, open, open. Now bring this leg forward, slide it across. This back leg, the foot points out this way, and we slide this leg across. You can add a pulse, inhale, lift, exhale, down. You could touch your glute or hip all the way to the mat. Stretching the IT band, the glute in the lower back. Isn't that lovely? Now thread it through, step back, and then the other leg. We have the scorpion, so balance it out. And through, and leg across. Back foot goes that way, and add the pulse if you like. So you're working your arms, your chest, your shoulders. This one is pure dynamite. Definitely a new one in my repertoire. I'm very excited to bring it to you, so don't keep it a secret. Share it on. All right, now step it back, down dog, and let's finish with 3 vinyasa power flows. So from down dog, inhale, round the back forward. Drop the hips down, shoulders back. Look up, where's my son? There it is. And then down and back to down dog 2 more times. Full body. It's not like I'm talking about beer. Full body taste. Ripple, ripple, energize the spine. Open the chest, shoulders back and down, boom. And then take it back. All right. My friends, it's Coach Vigue. How'd that feel? Let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you feel energized, do it every morning. Click that like button if this helped. Subscribe and click that notification bell to never miss a workout on this channel. I appreciate it. Train with me anywhere and anytime, my friends. God bless you. Have a great day. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.